Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Roblox fan, you might have run into error code 260, especially in 2025. This pesky error often pops up due to connection issues, firewall blocks, or software glitches, stopping you from joining games and having fun. Don't worry. I'm here to guide you through simple, step-by-step fixes that could get you back in the game in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, start with the basics. Check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable and you're not experiencing any outages. Try opening a web page or another online app to verify. If it's spotty, restart your router or switch to a wired connection for better reliability. Next, give Roblox a fresh start. Close the Roblox app completely, then reopen it. If that doesn't work, restart your device, whether it's a PC, laptop, or mobile. This can clear temporary glitches that might be causing the error. Now, let's update Roblox. Outdated versions can lead to compatibility issues. Head to the Roblox website or your app store and check for any available updates. Install them and try launching the game again. One common culprit is your firewall or antivirus software. Sometimes, these security tools block Roblox thinking it's a threat. Go to your computer's settings, find the firewall section, and make sure Roblox is allowed through. If you have antivirus installed, try temporarily disabling it and see if the error persists. But remember to turn it back on afterward for safety. If you're still stuck, clear your cache. On PC, go to the Roblox folder in your app data and delete temporary files. For mobile users, clear the app's cache through your device settings. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall Roblox to start fresh. There you have it. Easy steps to fix error code 260. If none of these work, check the official Roblox support page or community forums for more help. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gaming tips. See you in the next one.